Yes, good morning all of you. How are you all? As you know that we have completed syllabus of EV1. Now today we will do revision worksheet of lesson 1 and 2. Okay beta? Yes beta. Today we will do revision worksheet of lesson 1 and 2. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Okay. Give one function of carbohydrates and vitamin. You have to write one function of carbohydrate and vitamin. Okay. Carbohydrate, function, vitamins and function. Okay. Second, why is milk important for teeth? Why is milk is important for teeth? You drink milk, na? Why it is important for teeth? What milk give your teeth? Okay, so right here, why is milk important for teeth? Now third question है, this B part है, fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. First, visit your dash regularly. You have to write the correct answer. Visit your dash regularly. Second, there are dash canines in each jaw. How many canines in each jaw? You have to write here. Third, dash are the building blocks of our body. Which are the building blocks of our body? Write the name here. Fourth, dash help in easy bowel movement. Which nutrient help in which thing help in easy bowel movement? You have to write here. Okay, these are the 4 fill in the blanks. Now unscramble the words. Question number C. You have to unscramble these words. EROITG. You have to write the correct word here. EAUQPL. You have to write here. AOCRRT. Correct word here. Now D. Give one deficiency disease. Iodine. Deficiency of iodine cause which disease? You have to write here. Deficiency of iron cause which disease? You have to write here. Now complete the table. E part. Vitamin A. You have to write the source. In which source vitamin A is found. In which food sources. And the deficiency disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Now premolar. How many premolar in upper jaw and in lower jaw? You have to write the number here. Okay. Now F part. Write true, false, and if answer is false, then correct it also. Okay. If the answer is false, you have to correct that sentence also. Proteins make us obese. Protein makes us obese. If yes, then write true. Otherwise, if false, then correct this statement. Roughage prevents scurvy. Bones are made up of carbohydrates. Bones are made up of carbohydrates. Then fourth, incisors are 2 in number in each jaw. That is correct. If it is correct, then okay. If it is false, then correct these sentence also. Okay, beta. So you have to write this worksheet, revision worksheet of lesson 1 and 2 in your fair notebook and learn this worksheet also. Okay, beta. To revise lesson 1 and 2 and write and learn revision worksheet of lesson 1 and 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.